Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful and very interesting concept for decorative idea. Showpiece for Republic Day, that is Indian soldiers with 3 different postures. So here I will share each and every step of making these dolls with step-by-step procedure, along with making the flag, stand and everything. Isn't it looking very beautiful? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. To start with making the face, here I am taking 3 strips of light brown color and making one tight coil dome. Add glue inside the dome and spread it with brush. With the same method, I have prepared one more black color tight coil using 3 strips. Now I am joining both the shapes together and face is ready. Then to create the upper body, here I have prepared 2 tight coils which are made using 4x4 strips. This is made using 3mm strip and the bigger one is made using 5mm strip. And here I am using yellow color strips because I don't have army green color strips, and later I will color it using acrylics. So whatever color you have, just take and don't worry about the color. Now taking the bigger one and making a dome which is 2 cm long, and for the smaller one I am making simple dome shape. Add glue inside both the shapes and stick it with each other. Like this. Then to make neck, here I am taking half strip of light brown color and making one ring shape. Sticking the ring on the body and also sticking the face. Like this. Then I am taking one strip of yellow color in 5mm and making one tight coil. Then passing pencil through this and making cone shape. Here I am showing you how to make legs, shaping it nicely, and the height of the leg should be 4 centimeters. Add glue inside this and spread it with brush. Similarly, I have prepared one more leg. So the legs are dried. Now I am cutting it diagonally using scissors. And similarly, I have cut the other one. And now I am sticking this with the upper body. Hold it for a few minutes. Now I am taking half strip of yellow color in 5mm and making one tight coil. Then taking half strip of yellow ochre color and making one more tight coil. This is 3mm strip. Making a dome using 3mm strip tight coil and making a cone shape using 5mm tight coil. So here I am showing you how to make hands. We need total 2 cones for one hand. Add glue inside the shape and connecting one cone with the dome and other cone should be as it is. So this is for one hand, and similarly we need one more pair for other hand. We will connect this later according to the posture of the hands. Now I am taking half strip of yellow ochre color in 3mm and making one bended leaf shape like this. And then I have prepared one tight coil using 3 strips of yellow ochre color in 3mm, just shaping it as a dome. Add glue inside the dome and stick the bended leaf shape with this. Here I am showing you how to make hat for the soldier. and this is the one kind of hat. I like to dry. Now I am making another kind of hat. So here I have prepared one tight coil using 5 strips of yellow ochre color in 3 mm, making it as a dome. And tapping it exactly in the center to make it little flat, and just we need to push it from the edge little bit to make the flat from outer side. So this is the another kind of the hat, and this is done. Add glue inside this and sprayed it with brush. And with the similar method I have prepared one more hat. So all 3 hats are ready for 3 soldiers. Then taking back my soldier, and here I have joined total 2 yellow color 5 mm strips with each other. I am wrapping it around the waist area where legs and upper body are joining together, just to give it a nice coat look like this. And then I am adding some black color small strips for hairs. So this is done. Then I am adding 2 small teardrop shapes for ears. These are made using half strips of light brown color in 2 mm. Then I am adding nose, which is made using simple light brown color paper triangle. And also adding small black color eyes and red color triangle piece for lips. Then adding glue on the lips and connecting these small cute mustache. I like to dry. Then I am taking 1 strip of pink color in 5 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Here I am showing you how to make boots. Since I don't have black strip in 5 mm, so here I am using pink strips, and later I am going to cover it with black acrylic color. But if you have black strips, you can directly use that. Now I have prepared one more same boot, so I am connecting it with the legs like this. So it's completely dried. Now it's time to color this with army green color or olive green color. So here I have diluted the acrylic color little bit so that the yellow color behind the olive will peak little bit, and it will automatically give you nice army look texture, which has some print on the olive green. So you don't need to add another texture after doing the olive shade. And this is done. Now I am coloring the boots. I am coloring it little upward towards the legs as well to give it boot look. Now wrapping one black color strip around the waist area for the belt. This is 3 mm black strip. And adding one small yellow color buckle in the center. Then I have already joined both the hands which we have created together, and also colored the hands as well with same olive green color, and I am sticking the hands like this, also sticking the hat. And then I have prepared this cute gun using black color and sticking it like this between both the hands. Later I will connect the palm with this. So here I have attached one half strip tight teardrop shape as a palm, and this is my second soldier who is doing the salute pose. And also this is the third soldier with the same process, and he will going to hold the flag. Now I'm taking 3.5 by 2 centimeter white color paper and making the tricolor flag, which is the Indian flag here, using saffron paint and green color paint. Now I'm taking one brown colored toothpick. I have just colored it with brown and created the Ashok chakra in the center of the flag using blue marker, and our flag is ready. Then I am sticking the flag between the hands of the soldier. Like this, allow it to dry. Then to make base, here I am taking 4 by 16 centimeter 3 cardboard pieces, joining all 3 together and wrapping it using white color cardstock. Like this. Then I am coloring it using brown acrylic color. So this is done. I have added one golden strip around the edge. And then taking one more piece which is 5.5 by 4 centimeters. Here I have joined 4 pieces of cardboard together to make thick piece. Now I am sticking it exactly on top of the base, leaving the same gap on both the sides. And then it's time to connect all 3 soldiers on the base. The arrangement is all up to you, and a beautiful showpiece for Republic Day or Independence Day is ready, and our handsome Indian soldiers are ready. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Jai Hind.